Okay, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is another forex trading journey update. I have taken a long time without making such videos. A lot of things have been happening in my trading journey, and I just want to come out here and update you guys. Some of you guys may not be watching my trade recaps because I mentioned most of the things in those recaps. So I just formed these videos to kind of summarize everything that is in the other trade recaps according to my trading journey. And yeah, and second thing, they also bring a lot of engagement, so I really like them. They bring a little more views compared to the trade recap, so that's why I really like them. And today I decided to do one, and I do not expect that I'll be posting a trade recap anytime soon. I don't think that I'll trade on Monday. I just don't think so. Yeah, I decided to do it right now. So many things have been happening in my trading journey in the past month. I'll say month, because at the beginning of this, was it at the beginning of at the end of June, sorry, at the end of June, I made my first withdrawal from Forex. I don't know if you guys, some of you all know that I made my first withdrawal from Forex. It was really exciting. I was really happy. Gave my mom some money, and my dad bought something for myself, and I ate all the rest of the money. But yeah, it was a really fun experience, and I really hope that most of you all traders get it. But the aftermath of that effect, that the aftermath of that feeling is is kind of devastating, because after that, I don't know, some of you guys may not face the same thing, face the same challenge that I am facing currently, because some of you guys are better traders than me. So some of you guys may not face this problem. But after that, I went into a horrible losing streak in July. And the most funny thing is, July is my birth month, and I thought that Allah would bless me in this month, since it's my birth month, and at least get some wins from this month. June was a great month. I thank God for June. June was a great month, but this month was very horrible, very horrible. I'm still in that losing streak. But I'm still holding on, because today I backtested a little bit of price action of, I think, like 1 month. Remember, I'm a scalper, so a 1 month period is a very long time to be backtesting. So yeah, I saw progress from it. I saw progress from that month. I saw that my strategy still works. I just need to fix my mentality. Guys. I just need to fix it, and hopefully I'll get better results in the future. And yeah, I just hope to get better results, because I really want to make this thing work out. I really want to make 2026 my year. I already seen progress in 2026. According to content creation, I've already seen progress, but I want to see more. I don't want to see. I don't know how I can say this to you guys, but I don't want to see that much of progress. Let's say I want to buy my first car by the end of this month, or by the end of this year. I want to buy my own house. I want to live alone. I want to quit school and start making money online. I don't want that. I want to be in a state where I can be consistently making money, getting payouts from platforms, and yeah, that's what I want. That's what I want for this year, and I really need God to help me in this very hard situation. I really need Allah to be with me in this very hard situation, hopefully, and I'll get some results in trading. But yeah, I really need it. And second, and the other thing I really need to inform you guys, I have a TikTok account. It's called LA Trades. Yeah, I changed my name to LA Trades. At the beginning, I used to call myself Ash. I just left my name Ashraf because it's my name. But yeah, I decided to just use my initials, because it sounds cool. LA Trades, it sounds cool, and it's really catchy. So yeah, have a TikTok account. I post there live executions of those backtesting. Well, no, not backtesting. Live execution of the trade. So you will find them there. I'm going to stop putting them in the trade recaps. You'll just find them there on TikTok. And make sure to leave a follow, like on the TikTok account, because yeah, I really want it to grow. And these days, my content has been reaching a pretty wide audience. I'm really happy about that, and yeah, I really hope to see more results in the coming future. So yeah, that's what I was going to update you guys about, my goals, everything bit by bit. And I hope you guys find this video of great help. And yeah, and that's what I'm doing here, just keeping it real with you guys. And yeah, let's boosting the connection with me and you guys. So yeah, I think this is the end of the video. Make sure you leave a sub, a like, and a comment. And you can help me out in this situation. You can give me tips, because I really need those tips right now. I really need them about making my first, no, not making my first 10K month. That would be crazy. Just gaining consistency in trading. I just want, that's my main goal, just to gain consistency. I don't want 10K months, 100K months, because at my situation right here, I think it's impossible, because I don't have a platform. I just use a live account. So yeah, that is it. Ooh, and I'm soon getting a job. I'm soon getting a job to start funding my accounts. Yeah, I know some of you all traders hate the word job. I also hate it, but duty calls, responsibilities need to be taken care of. And yeah, I think that's the update. Really like you guys, and I really love your support you're giving me, sticking around with me. And from grace to grace, I hope we get where we want to be by this year. All of us in this community. Oh, and I also want to create a Discord channel. I I think that was a suggestion that I was thinking, but I want a community to first grow before creating that Discord channel. So you guys can inform me that if that is cool with you guys, or I should just leave it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace.